You're eyeing that blender, aren't you? Thinking about whipping up a delicious, refreshing smoothie but unsure if it's a friend or foe in your weight loss journey. Well, you're not alone. Many of us have been there, standing in the kitchen, blender in hand, contemplating this delicious dilemma. Smoothies have become a popular choice for those looking to shed some pounds. They're quick, convenient, and packed with potential nutrients. But are they really effective for weight loss? Or are they just another fad that's too good to be true? The truth is, it's not that simple. Smoothies can be a great addition to a balanced diet, but they're not a magic bullet for weight loss. It all comes down to what you put into your blender. A smoothie loaded with fruits, vegetables, and protein can be a healthy meal replacement. But a smoothie packed with sugary fruits, sweetened yogurt, or a scoop of ice cream might be more of a dessert than a diet aid. And it's not just about the ingredients, it's about understanding your overall diet and nutrient balance. It's about knowing when a smoothie can replace a meal, and when it's just a snack. It's about making smart choices that align with your weight loss goals. So are you ready to dive into the world of smoothies? Let's separate fact from fiction. Not all smoothies are created equal. Let's talk ingredients, sugar traps, and the power of protein. Smoothies can be a fantastic way to pack in a whole host of nutrient-dense foods. Think vibrant leafy greens, jewel-like fruits, and a sprinkle of superfoods. These ingredients are all about fiber and micronutrients, two key players in the game of health. When combined right, they can turn your smoothie into a nutrient powerhouse that leaves you feeling satisfied and energized. But before you reach for that blender, let's address a common misconception: that all smoothies are healthy. Just as you wouldn't assume all salads are low-calorie, don't be fooled into thinking all smoothies are created equal. Some can be sugar bombs in disguise. Yes, fruits are good for you, but too much of a good thing can lead to a sugar surge. When you're crafting your smoothie, be mindful of the fruit content. And then, there's the power of protein. This is where your Greek yogurt, nut butter, or protein powder comes into play. Protein is crucial for satiety, helping you feel fuller for longer. It can also provide sustained energy, keeping those mid-afternoon slumps at bay. So, don't forget to add a dollop of protein to your blender. Lastly, let's address the calorie creep. It's easy to get carried away when you're building your smoothie, especially when you're adding delicious things like avocado, nut butter, or coconut milk. But watch out, these can quickly ramp up the calorie count. Remember, portion control is just as important with smoothies as it is with any other meal. So, there you have it, the good, the bad, and the blendable. Smoothies can be a great tool in your weight loss arsenal, but only if done right. They can be packed with nutrients, they can help control hunger, and they can be delicious. But they can also be high in sugar and calories if you're not careful. Remember, a smoothie is only as healthy as its ingredients. Choose wisely. Ready to build a weight loss-friendly smoothie? Let's talk about bases, greens, fruits, and protein. First, let's start with the base. The base of your smoothie should be a low-calorie liquid. Water is a great choice because it has 0 calories. But if you're looking for a bit more flavor, unsweetened plant-based milk like almond or soy can be a good option. Green tea can also add a nice antioxidant kick to your smoothie, with the added benefit of a little caffeine to get you going. Next, let's pile on the leafy greens. They're packed with nutrients and fiber that can help you feel full without adding many calories. Spinach and kale are popular choices because they blend well and their taste can be easily masked by other ingredients. The trick here is to start with a handful and gradually increase the amount as your palate adjusts. Now, let's add some fruit. But be careful, not all fruits are created equal when it comes to sugar content. Berries, cucumber, and melons are all lower in sugar and can add a touch of sweetness without sending your smoothie's calorie count soaring. Remember, fruit adds flavor, but it should not be the main ingredient of your smoothie. And finally, let's punch up the protein. Protein helps you feel full and can keep your energy levels steady. Greek yogurt, nut butter, or a scoop of protein powder can do the trick. But choose wisely. Some protein powders can be high in sugar, so read the label before you add it to your blender. So there you have it. A base, some leafy greens, a touch of fruit for flavor, and a protein punch to keep you satisfied. Creating a balanced smoothie isn't rocket science, it's all about the right ingredients and the right portions. A weight loss journey is about more than just what goes in your blender. Let's talk lifestyle. Smoothies have a remarkable potential for replacing meals when done right. They can pack a nutritional punch that keeps you satiated and energized throughout the day. But remember, it's all about balance. Your smoothie should be nutrient-rich, with a good mix of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. A green smoothie for breakfast or a protein-packed smoothie for lunch can be a great way to keep your calorie count in check while nourishing your body. But what about those busy days when making a smoothie seems like a Herculean task? Here's a life hack for you. Pre-prepare your smoothie ingredients. Pre-portion your fruits, greens, and protein sources into individual freezer bags or containers. When you're ready for a smoothie, just grab a bag, blend, and go. No fuss, no mess, and no time wasted. Now let's address the elephant in the room: sweetness. Not all of us have a palate for the natural bitterness of greens or the blandness of certain proteins. But before you reach for that sugar jar, consider natural sweeteners like stevia or erythritol. They can add that desired sweetness without the calorie overload. Plus, they don't cause the blood sugar spikes and crashes that regular sugar does. Finally, remember that while smoothies can be a valuable part of your weight loss journey, they are not the be-all and end-all. Think of them as one tool in your toolkit. They work best when paired with other healthy dietary choices and regular exercise. So, enjoy your smoothies, but also remember to munch mindfully on whole foods, stay active, and listen to your body's needs. Remember, smoothies can be a fantastic tool in your weight loss toolkit, but they're not a magic bullet. Pair them with a balanced diet and regular exercise. We've covered a lot of ground. Let's recap. As we've journeyed through the world of weight loss smoothies, we've discovered that they can indeed be a powerful tool in your weight loss arsenal, but only when used wisely. We've debunked the myth that all smoothies are created equal, and we've learned that the secret to a successful weight loss smoothie lies in the balance of its ingredients. Remember, green is good. Packed with nutrients, leafy greens like spinach and kale can fill your smoothie with fiber, keeping you feeling full and satisfied. But don't forget the importance of protein. Greek yogurt, nut butter, and protein powder can all help to keep you satiated and fuel your body throughout the day, helping you resist the urge to reach for unhealthy snacks. We've also tackled the sugar surge trap and discovered that not all fruits are created equal when it comes to smoothie making. Choose low-sugar fruits like berries, cucumber, or melon to add a touch of sweetness without the calorie overload. And be mindful of portion sizes to avoid the calorie creep that can come from overzealous blending. But smoothies aren't a magic bullet. They should be part of a balanced diet, not a replacement for one. They can be a fantastic meal replacement option when done right, but they shouldn't be the only thing on your menu. Pair them with other healthy dietary choices and remember that sustainable weight loss comes from a lifestyle change, not a quick fix. Now, we've given you the tools, but the real magic happens when you start experimenting. Try different combinations of fruits, greens, and proteins. Discover what works for you and your taste buds, and remember, balance is key. A smoothie that's packed with protein but low on taste won't do you any good if you can't bring yourself to drink it. We want to encourage you to take these lessons and apply them in your own smoothie making. Prioritize overall dietary balance, and remember, the goal isn't just weight loss, it's a healthier, happier you. We want to hear from you. Share your smoothie success stories, recipes, and questions in the comments. Let's learn and grow together in this journey towards a healthier lifestyle.